Right. Welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the live section. Today, we'll be analyzing four pairs. I'll be analyzing four pairs: USD, GBP, USD, UK 100, and the Oxy JPY. Okay, let me pull up my chart. Okay, this is my chart. I want to start with Oxy JPY. Oxy JPY is called $1 trillion against the Japanese yen. This is on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, Japanese yen going for a buy. What I want to assure you, the buy is a very brief buy, a very short buy. This buy, we're expecting about 50 something weeks for the buy. And we're buying up to, if you are a scalper and you want to scalp the market, it's okay. Not scalping on the daily time frame, go to a lower time frame, like 1 hour, and start scalping, but scalp for a buy because the momentum is on the buy side. But in no distant time, the buy will be extinguished when the BBS will take over the market. We're expecting it to buy at 94,400. 94,400, that's what we're expecting Oxy JPY to get to. If it happens, then Oxy JPY would have done what is called a head and shoulder pattern for us. We need ourselves. So we're expecting the buy towards this point, so that we will expect our head and shoulder, something like this. We expect this point, get to 94. Possibly today. Tomorrow is Friday. Hopefully, the market could range towards this axis, get to this point, and do a little stop on this level. And if it does a little stop on, that's buy over this 94,400, and I'll leave a week behind to close below. If that happens, then we have resumed a massive sell. We resume a massive sell. This market is selling and selling and selling. So we're expecting this market to sell. We're expecting to sell at the market at 85,000. That's what we're expecting Oxy JPY to get to. And that will be a very massive sell. That will be a very massive sell. If you don't have a funded account, we show you how a funded account take advantage of this. That would be 891 pips, about 891 pips. So we're expecting Oxy JPY to sell, but in the interim, we're expecting a buy. We're expecting a buy. And the buy, like I said, is at 94,400. Please take a profit at that point. Go to H1 and see what you can do at that point. You'll see we're expecting it to this point. When the market gets to this point, now you'll see that at that point, this market would have created a divergence in the lower time frame, because the higher time frame is telling us we are going in for a sell. So hopefully by next week, we'll be engaging this sell. I'll be selling Oxy JPY throughout the month, hopefully. So that's my analysis for AUD JPY. We're taking a brief buy and subsequently a sell for AUD JPY. Now, GBP USD, this has been posted also on our Signal group, on our channels, on all of the platforms. Our students will have this now. Now, this is GU on the daily time frame. GU possibly is going to do what is called a handshake. The village chief. The current price now, it's a bullish move. It's going to do a handshake. And I believe the handshake is exhausted. And after that, now we're resuming a sell. This sell, like I said, we're selling towards getting us to a pattern. This is about 155 pips we're expecting in the market, possibly to happen today or tomorrow, hopefully, depending on what we can see. Get to this point and now start leaving with behind. And after that, like you can see on my chart, I've already put the direction we are looking at. So when the market looking at the brief sell, about 155 pips. And after that, we'll be engaging a buy. A buy is where the Benjamin is, that's where the money is. A buy is like 590 pips, 590 pips. This is a daily time frame. You can do what is called multi-time frame analysis, countdown analysis. As you've done this daily, then you can scale down to H1 and see opportunity to buy the market. Sorry, the opportunity to sell the market. I said we're looking at selling the market at this point. The market is always there. It has filled what is called, there's an FVG on these three candlesticks, the three bearish candlesticks. There's a bearish FVG, and the market has done a repricing. It has filled the liquidity void. And after filling the liquidity void, we're expecting to push down for a sell. So we're looking at, if you want to sell this market, being on H1 is the best place where you can go, or you can even scale that to even a smaller time frame. You have gotten your direction. Direction is that when the market gets to this point, we're expecting a sell. And where are we selling to? We're selling to this place where we have a buy zone. And after that, we're resuming a massive buy where we'll be taking a good chunk from the market. And that will be about 590 pips. Are you set for the buy? Set for the buy, make sure you have a funded account, FX space, and we'll see you through making profit in the financial market. Okay, that is for GBP USD. I've given analysis on the OXY, JPY, a brief buy and the sell. Now we've talked about GBP USD. GBP USD is going for sell as it stands. We're looking at the sell opportunity to 1.24 4,000, 1.24,000. That's what we're looking at. Price getting to GBP USD 1.24,000. Then we'll be resuming our buy. Then the market will have created in T1, an inverse head and shoulder for us to continue our buy. Okay, that is for GBP USD. Let's rush down to Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Yes, when you hear me talk about the FVG, there's void, liquidity void that the market is trying to fill. Remember, in one of our classes, we say markets, the institutions, good price in 4 ways. In 4 ways. If you want to trade retracement, the question you ask yourself, is there an FVG and a liquidity void? If you have not spotted an FVG or a liquidity void, please do not trade reversal. The institutions, the market makers, they deliver price based on, they deliver retracement based on FVG and liquidity void, because price have a direction. Okay, we're going to Euro NZD, Euro NZD. This Euro NZD is Euro NZD. Okay, fortunately, we gave this market for a sell yesterday, and the market did it, and it's selling massively. It's selling massively, and we're still expecting a sell on this market. We're still expecting a sell on this market. Expecting a sell. Where am I expecting a sell to? Let me show you my chart. Okay, I'm expecting, if this market breaks, this is like 1, 2, 3 triple bottom. If the market breaks this triple bottom, we're looking at price getting to 1.62900. 1.62900. We'll be selling to that point. We'll be selling to that point. So if price breaks this, so we'll be looking at last month high, January last month, sorry, the first day of last month of May, we'll be looking at the first week in May. Price has gotten to the high of first week in May. So we'll be expecting price to come down to 1.62900. Price will get to 1.62900. And after that, we look at what the market will do. So from now to weekend, from now to tomorrow, which is the trading week, we're expecting Euro NZD to drop up to 1.62900. So if you're on your chart, make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. It's a premium signal that is. If you don't understand how to do this, you can check us up on YouTube Trading Academy, YouTube Trading Academy, or FS Space, YouTube Trading Academy. Check us up YouTube Trading Academy, and we will teach you how to trade the financial market based on that. Now, lastly, I want to go to UK 100. UK 100. Yeah, UK 100. One good thing about FX Space platform I use is that this was opportunity with a very minimal lot size, but it's very volatile. If you don't have a good equity of 300 or 500 or 1,000, but 300 above, this is not come close to 100. It's very volatile. The market has done this. The market has done the stop loss somewhere around here. The market has done the stop loss somewhere around here. So we're expecting a sell, massive sell. And this is daily time frame. By next week, we're expecting sell this week. And at least we're expecting sell to this neck line. Expecting sell to 7160. 160 of 100. And I can bet you that is a huge amount of very, very huge amount of blessings. So once the market did not take out this high, like I've said, because of this high triple dot, we're expecting this. The market has started selling already. The week market has started selling. Yeah, the week market has started selling. So we're expecting what is called an M when you have this. All right, the market have done this. Market is the market. If you understand the chart pattern, the market is about M. If you trade harmonics too, you know the harmonics pattern. So the price is doing this now. So we're expecting price to do this. So on a weekly time frame, it's going to be a very huge sell. But if we can take advantage of it on a smaller time frame and start collecting, it gets bought. All right, thank you very much, everyone. This is the live webinar on trade analysis. So you can join us same time tomorrow. Same time tomorrow. And I get another pair to be explaining. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for FS Space that are using this platform for us to analyze the market. Have a good trading day. Enjoy the rest of it. Thank you.